Hi, welcome to today's post-market analysis. Let's start with Bank Nifty. Where is it going to go? Yeah. So yesterday was a complete sideways day, and while opening Dow Jones, US markets are also like yesterday positive to sideways. So there was slight correction here, but ultimately it remained sideways. So there was a opening gap up, and then there is a big red candle at the start of the day, and then we can't go short because immediately there is today is narrow CPR. There can be reversal or big trendy day. So in that kind of cases, this 20 EMA can be acting as a support. So very narrow range we have. So it was sorry. Even if you consider going short, so most probable profit you can get is this, which is 0.64. And even if you consider here, where we had a turning point yesterday, it hit the stop loss of everyone and then went upside. So still it is 1.5. So you will only get it when it actually reaches the yesterday's low, which is very unlikely. So low probable trade, I would say. So in these kind of cases, only place where you can go short is when it actually came back to the red candle. But red candle top is not having any other resistance. If this red candle was starting around here like this, maybe we could have gone short, considering yesterday was a supply zone here, and then we could have gone short and placed the stop loss above. But here the stop loss is too big for going short, so that is the reason for avoiding the trade. So these two zones can act as a support, considering yesterday's price action. So you can't go short even if the market is like having so much of selling pressure until this point. Then we can see there was a good recovery, and here uh, there is no proper bearish candle at the top of the red candle. So only trade that is possible is the second trade at, but this is almost at close to 3 p.m. Which is only half an hour. So there can be profit booking towards the end of the day, giving the fake breakout. So that is the reason I didn't go long here and not a short trade here. So those are the two possible trades that are possible in Bank Nifty. And coming to Nifty, we have bearish candle again here. Again here, if you want to go short, first candle here and stop loss here, and then go take profit. Oh, sorry. Take profit at least to yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was not a big supply zone, so this can be ignored and take profit again here. But only reason that didn't give the conviction is Bank Nifty can be having support at 20 EMA. So less probable trade. And then second trade came is when this candle, this around 10 p.m. when it broke the day's high. So the stop loss can be below this and then entering here. You can see long trade here, and then stop loss below this green candle, and then take profit is here. Sorry, I think I already have it because I took this trade in the market, so I get this. So the main problem, two problems. Though the market is going up, our call premiums are like decaying. Instead, they are actually, sorry, put premiums are not decaying, and call premiums are shooting up like anything because of the increase in VIX. You can see here from 10 p.m. Yeah, I marked this. 10 p.m. onwards, there is continuous increase in the VIX until end of the day. It was so frustrating for option sellers, I think. So, but we have to live with it. We don't know when the VIX increases. So, but it actually, so that have uh, actually given some problems, and then I have to keep the stop loss a little bigger until this point, because though it might seem here, it is not coming here, but and not touching this, but it actually option premium, though it is almost at cost to cost, option premium has touched this point nearly as if this point came here. So imagine the kind of increases in the premium. Today is straight away after the expiry for Nifty. That is another reason. But option buyers, I think they have earned good money. But these kind of corrections, I think these kind of corrections will actually cause problems for option buyers if they are holding that option till end of the day. But I have held it that option until it reached like almost this point again. So almost at this point we have booked the profit of around 1%, sorry, 9.9%. But it had corrected little bit and then moved. This move was unexpected because markets are already at too high. I mean, this is an unbelievable rally in the recent days. So that gave nobody expected, I think, this kind of move from Indian markets. So that is another thing. So here the second trade possible is this 20 ME retracement. When the market retraces back to your 20 MA, this is where it is a good point to enter. So the first entry is this, and then when it retraced back here, I have averaged my position. I think that is the reason we got good decent amount of profit today. But if we could have stayed here, we could have got 2% of return until the close of the day. That is a trade possible in Nifty, which is 1 and 2. Even if you have kept your stop loss here and your stop loss is hit, this entry was beautiful. It has given a good risk reward, you see. Your Even if you enter here on the bullish candle and stop loss is here, that is like almost 1:2. But look at that, how much it has given. That is the beauty of late afternoon move. But yeah, this is like very good risk reward, right? That is possible things that could have happened, and then possible trades. So for tomorrow, I will keep this level, extend this for Monday, and then because it was trying to take resistance in this zone. So this is now going to act as good support if it is opening above this, and then we can mark this as today's. This is not a supply zone as such, so we can ignore this for the price action tomorrow. And I think we can remove this, but this is going to be demand zone. I think this is no longer valid, so we can mark this one. Okay, and I will save this as this has turned out to be now support zone. I'll mark it green. Okay, this is an important zone for us based on where the market is opening. If there's huge gap down, because you can see red candles are also having high volume, but that is towards very end of the day, so which is unlikely to be gap down on Monday. But still, I'm thinking it will open sideways, unless there is a news in the weekend. And for this, I think this level we can take it here. So this is going to be very high. I am expecting a sideways move sideways market on Monday, but volatility can be huge. So let's remove this. If at all it is a gap down, this is going to act as a support again, narrow CPR, urgent CPR. So these are the levels that we should observe for Monday, depending on where it is opening. Let's take the trade and have a profitable day on Monday. Thank you. Bye.